Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft with Christie's Lead Services, a small business in Abington. And I was just looking at your company, thought I'd shoot you the screencast, show you how much traffic you're getting online, and show you a little insight about how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn a little bit more about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start today on your front page of your website and talk about keywords and content, and then I'm going to talk about citations and backlinks. So your front page here, you have your nice logo, where you service. So it looks like you have two companies. Okay, I think I just focused on the PA one. Click to call, for sure, that's always good. A call to action here, another text box here. Those are great additions to your website. So generally Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content, so I would definitely add some to that. That helps Google relate you and understand what it is you're trying to do and where you're trying to do it, so you can pop up for more searches. So within those 1,500 words of content, and that's just an average, I put about 10 to 12 highly searched keywords. So it could be like roofing services, Southeastern PA, roofing repair, Philadelphia, kind of whatever you want to be found for and how that is being searched. That's how you get visibility in Google. So the next I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I did just do a Google search for roofers Southeastern PA. I could have done roofing companies, lots of different ways people search for the same thing. And one of the ways to optimize your website is to know how people are searching and appear for those search words because they're in your content and they have strong backlinks behind them. So at the top you have your Google guaranteed ads and then your regular ads. And then you have your map pack here, which is a really good place to be. You're getting high visibility. This is a small process to go through to get here, optimizing it out, and then getting a lot of citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number, and appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, things like that. And you just want to check them monthly and make sure you're staying ahead of the game for sure. And you just get, again, more visibility here. You're taking up more lines. On a mobile phone, this is going to be click to call. If you are top spot in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, which is this company right here, if you're in both spots, statistically speaking, you get about 80% of the search volume that comes to this page, which is a good amount for sure. In order to get to this top spot organically, that means you're appearing without an ad, you have to have strong backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about roofing. Someone mentions your website and it links back to yours. That's the backlink, and the blog is what we call the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool we use called Ahrefs. And this is you guys. I use it for all my websites, a couple $100 a month. Any company could obviously get it. This is your trust ranking and your power ranking. Spins all the way to 100. So this is the number of the backlinks you have, your referring domains. So quality and quantity matter here. So adding some of high quality would give you more power. It's like the Nikes or the store brands. Google's going to respond better to the higher quality domains, get you more powerful. You're being found for 27 keywords in the top 100 spots, and you're getting 73 visits a month. I'm going to click into your keywords, but as it's loading, I'm going to show you that competitor that was top organically, their trust and power, their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and the amount of traffic that they're generating. So here we go with your keywords. So you're showing up for your own company, which is to be expected. Roofing Systems of Maine. That's a high buyer intent keyword because I guess someone lives in Maine and they want a roof. 150 searches. 0 KD, which means this is the easiest to rank for in terms of money and time. And your spot 65. Roofing contractor in Lansdale, PA. 40 searches, not as much, but still a really specific area. Spot 66. So that's not doing us any good. Looks like you're in roofers in Lansdale, PA. 70, 0, spot 84. Here's another high buyer intent keyword. So, and then you're in Ohio here. I'm not sure what that's about. But these are words that you would want to look at and maybe change your content around to focus on narrow in on some of the areas that you want to hit. Just helps you be found for sure. So I hope the video was helpful. Again, if you have any interest in learning more, please reach out. My door is always open. I work within budgets, and I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation with you just to see if we're a good fit. And if the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.